Hello Sagittarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Sagittarius, this is your reading for the month of May and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Sagittarius will see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down and then we'll see what you need to know, Sagittarius. Okay. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. I'll shuffle, I'll lay them down, and then we'll see what are the messages you need to know. I'll appreciate if you hit like, share, and subscribe and comment down below, Sagittarius. What do you need to know for the month of May? Sagittarius, what do you need to know for the month of May? Sagittarius, what do you need to know for the month of May? What do you need to know for the month of May, Sagittarius? What do you need to know for the month of May? What do you need to know for the month of May, Sagittarius? What do you need to know for the month of May? We have Two of Wands. I'm going to lay down the cards. We have Two of Wands, Page of Wands, the Emperor, the World, the Lovers, Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck, we have Eight of Cups. Sagittarius, you might be dealing with an Aries, you might be dealing with a Gemini, you might be dealing with Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio. You might be dealing with another Sagittarius. You might be dealing with Pisces, Virgo. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. You might see a lot of 555. You might see a lot of 222, 2222. You might see a lot of 333, 888. If the sign or the number pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the same. Okay. Sagittarius, there is someone who is feeling like they need to come towards you to make a very solid offer before it is too late. Okay. Someone is sensing that you have withdrawn your energy. Someone is sensing that you have decided to reinvest the energy that you had invested in them. You have decided to reinvest that energy into yourself, into your own growth, personal growth, professional growth. Somewhere there is a very strong urge to grow spiritually, and this person who is recognizing this energetic shift within you, who is recognizing that you probably are no more invested in them, you probably are willing to change your direction, you probably are willing to uh, you know shift your focus somewhere else rather than on them. That person is going to come rushing towards you. That person who was holding back from you so long, the person who was acting or operating from a place of ego, operating from a place of all sorts of low vibrational energies, this person is dropping their facade, is dropping their egoistic attitude, and they're rushing towards you. Okay, this person is rushing towards you. They're going to make an offer. They don't want you to move on. I think so. Somewhere this person has hurt you big time. Somewhere this person did something to you. This person pushed you away. Okay, this person actually pushed you away. And this person probably now wants your attention, now wants everything from you. Okay, because somewhere this person has also realized that they are also not able to move on. They are stuck onto you. They have started recognizing and realizing their love for you. Okay, this person did all sorts of efforts to move on from you, but this person also had the sneaky energy where this person was stalking you, watching every single move of yours, stalking your social media and doing all sorts of things. Maybe this person met other people as well, dated a couple of other people as well, but they pretty soon they realize that no one compares you. Okay, you are that beautiful soul. and they really want to enjoy their time, their, and they want to spend their life with you. They want that union with you. And this person literally might come towards you begging that they want you. This person might literally come towards you begging that they love you and they want this union. They will literally offer their world to you. This person wants to stop you from moving on. Okay, this person, they cannot tolerate the idea of you being with someone else. They cannot tolerate the idea of you getting physically close to someone else, you sharing your love with someone else. So far you had showered this person with a lot of love, so far you had showered this person with a lot of care and affection, but this person took things for granted, and you felt disrespected. Okay, you felt like you got only breadcrumbs, you did not get anything else beyond that, and now you are like, enough is enough, I'm going to withdraw myself and I'm moving in a direction where I will feel valued. And for some of you, you're closing the chapters and you're moving towards a new person. And I do feel like, again, your manifestation powers are on point. The moment you decide that you don't want this person, the moment you withdraw yourself completely from this connection, there is a new person that will get introduced in your life. A new person will pop up in your life. Okay. And I strongly feel, I mean, the cards are strongly indicating, Sagittarius, that if you want a new person will pop up, and this is going to be the love of your life. For some of you, you probably might reconcile with the past person, but again, that might happen for few of you. You're more focused towards building yourself up. You're more focused towards building your own life up. You're more focused towards, bringing things under control. You've kind of realized like your life is not under control. Okay, you're kind of realized like there is a lot of scattered energy, and you want balance, you want stability in your life. For some of you, you're also focusing on your career. For some of you, you're focusing on building up your pentacles. You're looking out for continuous opportunities to make money and stabilize that financial situation. I think so. You broke your heart to a large extent because of this person's inconsistent behavior towards you and inconsistent approach towards this connection. You're trying to heal yourself from this person, and that is also one of the reason, that you have come far in this healing journey. And if you decide to go back to this person, you will again kind of open up the unhealed wounds, and you don't want to do that. You feel like you might give this person another chance simply to hurt you all over again, simply to hurt your wounds all over again. For some of you, you might be in a dilemma. Should I or should I not give this person another chance? Yes, for many of you, this person from the past is definitely coming back towards you. Take how it resonates, Sagittarius. For some of you, I'm hearing vice versa. Maybe you are taking a strong leap of faith towards this past person. Maybe you're looking forward to reconciliation. For some of you, reconciliation is on the cards, by the way. Okay. um, some of you, you're attracting, you're dealing with your twin flame. Some of you, you're dealing with a soulmate. And for some of you, the new person that is coming towards you might be a twin flame or a soulmate. Okay, but like I said, you're a powerful soul. In the month of May, whatever you decide to manifest, you will end up manifesting that. Whether a new person, whether more money, whether more money related opportunities. Also be careful about what you think, because your thought process will get converted into reality really soon. Okay, so make sure that you're thinking positive, make sure that you're manifesting positive things. Okay, just be careful about people who are going to be jealous of you. I do see like there are some quick changes that are happening in your life in the month of May. You will, like I said, you're focusing your energy towards stabilizing your life, bringing things under control. And some people who have seen you struggle in your life, okay, they will be a bit jealous of the fact like, how come so fast you have brought your life under control, right? Seven of Cups is telling me that you're going to get a lot of attention from the opposite sex. You're going to look your best in the month of May. Okay, your health will be at its optimum, at its best in the month of May. Yes, you're undergoing a massive transition. For some of you, this past connection is definitely getting resurrected. It depends upon what you want. Yeah, it will kind of look like a victorious month. I do feel like what you want is happening. For some of you, there are some awards and rewards that are coming towards you. You might be given employee of the month, etc. award. There are some major accomplishments that are happening. For some of you, I'm hearing that something that was pending since a very, very long time, that is going to happen. Okay, work related opportunities are coming towards you. Use your intuition, which one is right for you. You will be awarded, or you will be presented with a lot of work related opportunities, and not all of them are going to be right for you. Listen to your intuition, and your intuition will guide you which opportunity is right. Alphabets B and J are of some importance. Again, I do feel like you're going to see a lot of 11 11. You're going to see a lot of 2 to 2, 22 22. Seven of Wands. Yeah, someone is ready to fight for this connection with you. Someone wants to fight with you. Like, how come you're walking away? How come you're letting go? Wheel of Fortune. Travel looks pretty likely, and for some of you, I'm hearing that you're kind of upgrading your skills. You're kind of going back to learning to in order to upgrade your skills, your knowledge. That's what I'm hearing. Again, with Seven of Swords and Six of Swords, you better distance yourself from people who are not good for you. For some of you, you're definitely surrounded by people who are putting a facade. They are putting a mask, and they are operating in front of you. They are being very nice, they are doing all sorts of sweet talk, but behind your back they're backstabbing you. They're doing something that will potentially harm you. Okay, so, and maybe you do have doubts about the intentions of such kind of people. You stay away from such people, Sagittarius. Okay, you know who these people are. The cards are strongly indicating that you got to walk away from such people. For some of you, you have received advice related to your relationships from the wrong kind of people. Stay away from such people because they want to sabotage all the good things that are happening in your life. Okay, King of Pentacles. For some of you at a workplace, you're going to receive good mentorships from someone. You will find that there is someone who is ready to invest in you, or probably you will find that a person you're going to meet a person who will give you work related opportunities and eventually help you make some money. This person will see some potential within you. Okay, also I feel like in the month of May is going to be a month where you will notice that the struggles are kind of reducing. Emotional, physical, financial struggles are slowly fading away. I'm not saying that within a day things are going to change. No, but yes, the struggles, you will notice that whatever struggles you have experienced in last 2 3 months, those struggles will start to fade away. They will start to subside. Ten of Cups. You're moving in the direction of emotional fulfillment. Especially, I feel like when it comes to matters of love, you're going to make some right decisions. Again, the High Priestess is standing out a lot. I strongly feel like whether it is your career, whether it is matters of love, listen to your intuition. I feel like you're blessed with your strong intuitive powers, but some of you do not listen to your intuition. Some passionate opportunities are coming towards you. Love related passionate opportunities are coming. I feel like you might feel extremely sexually satisfied with someone specific. Apart from that, I also feel like work related opportunities will also make you extremely passionate. Okay, the lost excitement, lot of lost passion is coming back. Someone is trying to stalk you a lot. This person is planning to come towards you with a love offer. This might be a new person, but they're acting very cautious. They want to know, is there anyone in your life? So before they can come towards you, this person wants to know, like, are you single? Are you going out with someone else? Okay, they are trying to collect a lot of information about you. I also feel like you're going to make some bold decisions where you might receive some opposition, especially from your family members. But you will be like, you know what, I'm going to make decisions that I feel like I should be taking or I should be doing. For some of you, I'm hearing that if at all your family members were very controlling, or if at all your family members were interfering in your life decisions, expect some sort of altercations or verbal arguments with your family members or near and dear ones who were kind of interfering and being nosy in your business a lot. Okay, and it is also quite possible that some of you might cut off your family members or your friends or anyone who was very nosy in your life. You're going to distance yourself from such people, or you're going to cut off such people from your life. There is something related to family that is going to happen. Okay, if at all you're feeling like I'm a grown up person and they should not be interfering in my life every now and then, and I deserve my freedom, my independence, and I don't want continuous monitoring from someone else. So I'm getting that kind of an energy. All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Uh, this is your spread. Take care, have a great time, and bye bye, Sagittarius.